Yeah. Yo. We coming together. This ain't even on yet. Yeah. She gonna be a beast. This is just the beginning. I just wanted to show you. You know what I mean? Here go the old box. She was too old anyway. She needed to go. I stripped her down now. That's where we came from. So from 2 to 4. Had to grab me 2 more of them boys.